This bird is known for swallowing down bones like this. Meet the bearded vulture. With its shaggy beard and powerful beak, the bearded vulture is easily recognizable. But it's not just its looks that make it special. This bird has a rather unusual appetite: bones. From a great height, the bird drops the bone onto a hard surface, shattering it into smaller, more manageable pieces. This incredible technique allows the vulture to access the rich marrow inside. Unfortunately, the bearded vulture faces numerous threats, including habitat loss, poisoning, and human persecution. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent birds. So, the next time you're exploring the mountains, keep an eye out for this incredible creature. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.